Okay, here we are. Um, let's suppose we are doing a design, and as I am having right now, you might facing a problem with DRC errors. And as you can see, this tiny cross inside this via is warning us that something is wrong, something on the layout, something on the design, and you might pay attention. You have to pay attention to this because this is rules that the fabricator your of your product, of your PCB, they're going to follow rules which comes out in the documents when we export them to send to a assembly house. So if you are facing this, it's important to correct this, and you can send to your um, manufacturer, and so you don't face problems when you got your product and will do the tests. uh, uh, VS are not the only problem, and also they are not the the main problems when we are uh, referring to PCB design rules that it is warned to follow. Um, the main when we are referring to rules that the manufacturer uh, is the one of the main details is traces, is the tracks. Um, when we are routing traces on a PCB, um, one of the most important things is clearance, which is the space between a trace and the other, is the space between traces. And if you route two traces too close to each other, uh, you will have problems. Um, but today I wanted to comment with you about this problem that I have I'm facing with this via, so you can use as well on your projects. Right here, it's returning this error, and so let's see. If I'm come here, I'm on Easy EDA Pro, and if I come here on Design and Design Rule, first of all, let's see what error is returning to us. If I'm come here in design and check the DRC, so on this menu on the left side, I'm gonna come here on via diameter, so via diameter, and let's see what is returning. The outer diameter of the via hole of the object 1 is 10 mil, which should be 24 mils. Okay, so the vias that we are placing, they have a diameter of 10 mils, outside diameter, and inside diameter of 4, and is saying to us that should be 24. So let's see if we can correct this, not turning the via to 24 mils of diameter, but adjusting this for our requirements. I wanted to my VIA has 10 mils, not 24, but is returning this error. So it's not a method of the software to warning us, but also when we export the document, we don't want any conflict, and also is important because we will send this document, the Gerber files, which contains the information of the drilled holes on the piece, the information about the distance between each object on the PCB board. So now let's come here on design again, and now on design rule. And if we right here we can see spacing, physics, net length, differential pair, blind, bored via, and right here via size. And clicking right here on default, the unit is on mils, that is correct, via out diameter and via inner diameter. Again, I want my via to have 10 mils, not 24, so I will adjust this right here 10 and right here 4, because is um, the size that I wanted to my vias, the real size that I wanna on the on my product, on my piece, my PCB board. So even that the default is 24, I can adjust the software so I can got my, see, now I just by moving right here I don't have more this problem. And now if I go to check DRC rules again, and with the vias I'm not facing this problem anymore. See, right here it is just the because it was too close, and if I'm just adjust. Okay, so if you a user of the easy EDA software, so that is a tip uh, for you to apply on your project. And not only the documents that I will export and send to the assembly house and the manufacturer, um, but the project, the layout is coming out nice and without any error. Okay, for now it's all. Thank you.